How to see other viewers in your Facebook story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Facebook application on your device. Click on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll below and go to Settings and Privacy. Then after again go to Settings. Scroll below until you see the option of Stories. Once you do, simply click on it. Then after go to Who Can See Your Stories. If you have chosen the option of Public, you will be able to see the other viewers on your Facebook story. So as to know their name, you simply need to go to Custom option from Story and search your friends and add them. But if you're not able to still view the list, simply go to Who Can See Your Story and choose the option of Friends. The second option is to simply lock your profile, because after that you will only be able to share your story within your friend circle. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.